We will rewrite these radical expressions using rational exponent notation and simplify. The first one, this is the square root of x, which can be represented as x to the 1/2. And the second one, the cube root of x, can be represented with an exponent of 1/3. When we multiply two expressions with the same base, we add their exponents. So this will equal to x to the power 3/6 plus 2/6, which will add up to x to the power 5/6, which can be written as the 6th root of x to the 5th. The next example, so take the radicand and raise it to the power 1/5. We can use the product raised to a power rule to say this is 32 raised to the power 1/5 and x to the 10th raised to the power 1/5. What is 32 raised to the power 1/5? It is the 5th root of 32. And the next expression can be written as x to the power 10 times 1/5 using the power rule. The 5th root of 32 is 2. 10 times 1/5 will simplify to x squared. So the answer will simply be 2x squared. Next example, we have two radicals with different indices. So the first one we can rewrite as x to the 1/5. The second one, x to the power 1/3. To multiply them, we will add the exponents. Least common denominator will be 15. So we will find 3/15 plus 5/15, which will add up to 8/15. So the answer will be x to the power 8/15, which can be written as the 15th root of x to the 8th. Next example, we can use the quotient rule to divide these expressions. We will just subtract the exponents. The least common denominator will be 6. We get x to the power 1/6, which can be written as the 6th root of x. We have 64x to the 9 inside the cube root, which we can write using rational exponent as raised to the power 1/3. And use the product raised to a power rule to raise 64 to the 1/3 power and x to the 9 to the 1/3 power, like we did in the above question. You can put it back in the radical notation as cube root of 64. And the second one, we will use the power rule to multiply the two exponents. The cube root of 64 equals 4, and x to the power 9 times 1/3 will simplify to x cubed. So the answer will be 4x cubed. And the last example, we have x to the 4th y squared raised to the power 1/8. So again, use the product raised to a power rule to raise x to the 4th to the power 1/8 and y squared to the power 1/8. So the first one, using the power rule, can be rewritten as x to the power 4 times 1/8. The second one will be y to the power 2 times 1/8. 4 times 1/8 will simplify to 1/2. So this will be x to the 1/2 times y to the power 1/4. And we can rewrite them as the square root of x times the 4th root of